Hi, Luna. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday to you. It's not your birthday, but it's Happy Sunday. Hey guys, happy Sunday to you guys. I just finished editing the video for the tattoo shop. I hope that they love it. I'm really happy with it. I think it came out really good. I had to keep it under 1 minute for like Instagram and like Twitter and stuff. Like those videos have to be under a certain time frame, so I'm happy with it. I hope they love it. I have a lot to do today. I have to get a lot of Etsy orders done. I also have to film a bunch of videos. I also have to get some stuff done in the realm of cleaning and unpacking. So today's gonna be a busy day. A lot to do, so I'm just gonna jump into it. So I just finished editing that video. I'm gonna edit my daily video from yesterday. Then I have to go film. I think what I'm gonna film today, well, I'm filming a couple videos, but I think the first video I'm gonna film is a cleaning video. It's something that I haven't really done before, but I wanna do a house tour video soon, and so I figured it might be fun to like do like a teaser where I'm like, hey, I'm cleaning my kitchen, that you will see soon in a video. So I think I'm gonna take my camera downstairs and do a cleaning video, but yeah.